Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mask on because why not? Why not make a video with a mask on while I'm waiting for it to dry up? And I'm just gonna quickly share with you guys some stuff I got from Stylekorean online shop for K-beauty. And you guys already know how much I love K-beauty, so I'm gonna share a haul with you guys right now, just a very casual and quick one while I'm doing a mask. And if you're watching this and if you have a mask on, then awesome, we are masking together. But if not and you want to relax and just watch a haul, K-beauty haul, just put a mask on and I'll be waiting right here. So I think we're ready now. I'm gonna start with the haul and I hope you have your mask on now. Okay, the first thing that I have to share with you guys are the stuff that I got from BeautyCon. I know it's been a long time already after BeautyCon, but I have a bunch of stuff that I haven't touched, opened, and even, you know, tried out. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. So the first thing I got is this box. This one was a pre-order box that I got yeah, like I said, BeautyCon. So the first thing that's in here is this Pyunkangyeol Essence Toner, and this one is a really good toner, so I had to get it because I love minis, like baby size skin products, anything, makeup. So I had to get these because they're all small and tiny. I hope you guys can see. So this one is the Pyunkangyeol toner, very good toner. By the way, this one was $10, I believe. This one is the Wamisa Organic Flowers / Apple Serum Treatment. So I really like this brand, Wamisa. So another brand that I really like was in this box, so I had to get it. Sunjung 2x Barrier Intensive Cream by Etude House. This one is the CosRX Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. This one is the Sowasu First Care Activating Serum X. The next thing that's in here is a Huxley mask, and I really like this brand also. I've tried it because of, you know, Stylekorean, the K-beauty gurus. They sent this to us and I was able to try this out back then, so I really like it. What you do is roll this part up and it pops in there. It's like oil that mixes in the mask. And the last thing that's in this box is this. Brutus is crying. So we're just gonna pretend that he's not barking. I don't know if you guys hear it. I'm pretty sure you do because he barks. He's not barking, he's crying. He's crying downstairs. So this one is the last thing that's in the box. This is the Perfect V Lifting Premium Eye Mask. I'm having a hard time talking. It's pulling my lips up. So I'm really excited to try this too because I haven't tried this yet and I've seen lots of good reviews about this. So yeah, that's everything that's in this box. Now we're gonna move on to stuff that I bought from their booth. This one is my favorite, the Heimish All Clean Balm Makeup Remover, or you know, if you just want to do a quick face massage before washing your face. And this also turns into like a face wash, like a milky face wash when you wet it, your face. So I really like this. It doesn't break me out or anything. Very effective removing makeup and dirt on your face, so I really love this. This is one of the things that I knew I had to pick up at the booth. So the next thing that I got from them is this, and I love this brand. This one is originally called Nature Pacific, but now they changed it to Nacific. The same brand, they just changed their name, like they combined Nature and Pacific, Nacific. So anyway, I got the Fresh Herb or Origin Serum. So hard to talk. So I've heard lots of good things about this also, especially from Stella. She always does a live on Stylekorean's Instagram, so if you guys want to know more about K-beauty, like recommendations, then I highly recommend watching her. I forgot to show you guys this. This was from the box also. So it's a Moonshot, what do you call this? Moonshot Jelly Pot, and it's an eyeshadow. Oh, it's sealed, and I don't want to open it right now just because I have too much makeup open right now and I'm trying not to open all of them at the same time, you know. And as you can see, I have a bunch right now, and I have 2 drawers full of makeup, skincare, everything that I don't use, haven't opened. So I'm saving them, and I'm trying to finish whatever I have that's out right now, and I throw away a lot. These I did not get at their booth at BeautyCon. I ordered them on the website, and this is the first thing that I got. This one is a mirror from 3CE. Let me see if I can open it up to show to you guys. I love the color. Look how pretty this is. So it's just a handheld mirror from 3CE. Very pretty. I should take this out now so I can use it. The next thing that I got from their website are lip tints. Of course, there's no way I cannot order lip tints when I'm on the website. I just want to put everything in my bag, like every lip tint. I am obsessed with lip tints, and no matter how many I have already, I just can't stop buying them. They're so easy to use, and they're very natural looking, so I really love lip tints. And it's hard to talk now. I have 5 lip tints from Etude House. This is the Dear Darling tint, the one that looks like popsicles or ice cream. I have 5 of them. I will do swatches some other time just because I'm running out of time now, and I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got from them anyway. I got more lip tints from 3CE. As you can see, I already put them in there. So I originally had 5, like all shades, but then one day I forgot that I had a lip tint in my pocket, went into the garage and, you know, played with Brutus, and the next day I found him covered all over in something red, and I got so scared. And when I saw him laying down, he was next to the other lip tint that I just lost, so he ate it and he put some on. So that's why I do not have it anymore, but I'm definitely gonna get that other shade that I lost. That one was my most favorite one too. The name was #Glue and that one was a really beautiful color. I actually wore that shade to Gen Beauty, and I got lots of compliments. I cannot. Oh my gosh. If you guys are wondering what mask I have on, it's the Double Dare OMG 3-in-1 kit peel off mask. The last 2 things that I got are these. This one is the first one out of the 2. So pretty, the packaging. Love it. This is from Heimish. This one is the mist serum with Bulgarian water, rose water, and I really like this, you guys. This one is so hydrating and so refreshing on the face. It doesn't feel like it dries your skin more because it is a serum mist. So I really like that. I should take it out now too because I've been using that and then just keep putting it back in this bag that I have. Okay, so the last thing that I got from Stylekorean is this Heimish Dailism Smudge Stop Mascara. I haven't really used this yet, so I'm really excited to try it out, but like I said, I'm not trying to open everything that I have now because I am trying to finish what I have out right now. That is the last product of this haul, this K-Beauty haul, the Stylekorean haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope by this time your mask is done also, and remember not to keep on your mask for a long time. Remember to really follow the instructions, or maybe just add 5 to 10 minutes off of the instructions, because leaving your mask on longer than that is not really good. There is a reason why they put a certain time, so make sure you do that. And this is ready to come off, and I'm actually making an Instagram video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you love K-Beauty, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!